Sexually transmitted infections, STIs, often called sexually transmitted diseases or STDs, are infections that are spread through sexual contact. They can be caused by bacterial, viruses, or parasites and may affect various parts of our body. Commonly, STIs include HPV. It's essential to practice safe sex, tested regularly, and seek prompt medical attention if you are suspect of this infection. Certainly, sexually transmitted infections are infections that are primarily transmitted through sexual activities including vaginal, anal, or oral sex. These infections can be caused by bacterial, viruses, or parasites. Here are the key points. Types of STIs. There are various types of STIs and they can be manifest with different symptoms or sometimes none at all. Common examples include Bacterium, Chlamydia, Trachomatis, the Bacterium Neisseria caused by the Bacterium Treponema, HIV or AIDS caused by the human virus or HIV, herpes caused by the herpes simplex virus or HSV. HPV means human papillomavirus, a group of related viruses transmissions. STIs are typically transmitted through sexual activities but sometimes can also transmitted through non-sexual means like sharing needles or mother to child during childbirth or breastfeeding. Preventions. The best way to prevent STIs is practice safe sex, which involves using barrier methods like condoms consistently and correctly. Vaccination is available for some STIs such as HPV testing and diagnosis. Regular testing is crucial, especially if you're sexually active. Many STIs can be asymptomatic, meaning you may not show any symptoms but still carry and transmit the infection.